Hebrews 1 out of the Amplified. God having chosen, God having spoken to the fathers long ago in the voices and writings of the prophets in many separate revelations, each of which set forth a portion of the truth, and in many ways, has in these last days spoken with finality to us in the person of the one who is by his character and nature his Son, namely Jesus, whom he appointed heir and lawful owner of all things, through whom also he created the universe, that is, the universe as a space-time matter continuum.
Verse 3.
The Son is the radiance and only expression of the glory of our awesome God, reflecting God's Shekinah glory, the light being, the brilliant light of the divine, and the exact representation and perfect imprint of his Father's essence, and upholding and maintaining and propelling all things, the entire physical and spiritual universe, by his powerful word, carrying the universe along to its predetermined goal, when he himself and no other had, by offering himself on the cross as a sacrifice for sin, accomplished purification from sins and established our freedom from guilt. Whose freedom from guilt? Our freedom. Our freedom. Our freedom. My God. From guilt. He sat down, revealing his complete work at the right hand of the Majesty on high, revealing his divine authority, having become as much superior to angels, since he has inherited a more excellent and glorious name than they, that is, Son, the name above all names.
All right,
Stop.
now you need to stop right there. Now, this is hard to form in my mouth here. I mean, okay. I want you to read verse 3 again. Take your time.
The Son is the radiance and only expression of the glory of our awesome God.
All right. You know what that means? It means that there is no way to avoid the foundational truth that Jesus is God. And to acknowledge that is the responsibility of all the people of faith. Why? That's the foundation Paul laid. And since that's true, there is no way the body of Christ can be anything other than one body. Because we are connected to God himself.